Hello everyone. So in this video, I want to show you job opportunities that have visa sponsorship. So if you want to migrate abroad for work, then you really need to watch this video because I'll be showing you those jobs you can apply for in different industries, different occupations, different roles. You can apply for them. They have visa sponsorship. Some of them even have relocation package, like they pay for your flight ticket, they pay for your accommodation, and everything that has to do with your relocation. All right. So they are really amazing jobs. Some of them you don't even need a degree. Some you don't need like much work experience. So there's something for everyone in this video. So do watch the video to the end so you can see the opportunities I'll be sharing here. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe if you want to be seeing more videos like this. On this channel, I share information that's going to help you in your relocation journey, whether you want to move abroad for work or for study, or you just want to go live in a different country. I have information that is going to help you with this. So do subscribe to the channel and also turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Thanks for the support. I truly appreciate you. And if you want to talk to me personally, I have a one-on-one consultation, so you can send me an email so we can get to talk about your own personal needs. All right, so let's get straight into the video. So let's see the ones we have here. This is a cleaning supervisor, right? And the hourly rate is $26 per hour, and you'll be required to work for 35 to 40 hours per week. This job is in Calgary, and when it has to do with qualification, they are looking for secondary school graduation certificate, right? So that is like the requirement for education. So once you have secondary school graduation certificate, you can apply for this job. And for experience, they need 1 year experience, right? 1 year to less than 2 years of experience. So just 1 year plus experience as a cleaning supervisor, right? So because it's a supervisory role, obviously you need to have experience in it, okay? As it's written here, you'll be supervising 3 to 4 people, okay? All right, so work setting is cleaning service company and commercial facility. And the responsibilities, the task on this job is to hire and train or arrange for training of cleaning staff. You will supervise and coordinate activities of workers, inspect sites or facilities to ensure safety and cleanliness standards, recommend or arrange for additional maintenance services, coordinate work activities with other departments, and establish work schedules. So that's what the work is about. It's a fast-paced environment. You work under pressure, tight deadlines, and all of that. It's physically demanding. They just listed everything here, so you're prepared for the job. So you won't, have to complain when you start to read everything, what the work conditions are, and personal suitability, to just be sure that this is for you. Okay, so there are long-term benefits on this job as well. So if you feel like this is something you would like to do, then go ahead and apply to this email address here. If you're a follower of my channel, you do know what this means. This means that you can apply for this job from all around the world. This job is open to international applicants, people that are outside of Canada. All right. If it were not, there would be like, an exclamation sign here or something, but this one is for people all around the world. So this is the email address. Send your application and get it started. This was posted today. So this advert is going to be up until the 27th of May. So do apply as soon as possible. All right, so the next one here is a support worker, social services, and salary is $16 to $17, and it will be negotiated, and you'll be required to work for 40 hours per week. It's a permanent position as well, and this was also posted today, April 27. All right, so for this particular role, what they're looking for is a college degree or equivalent experience. So either you have you have the degree for it, the college certificate, or you have experience to make up for it. All right, and then you need 7 months to less than 1 year of experience. So 7+ months of experience. And they're hiring 5 candidates. There are 5 vacancies for this. So they are going to hire 5 of the applicants. So that is real good. So you'll be working in employers or clients' home, and you should be willing to relocate. Be willing to relocate. So this is support worker social services. Yeah. All right, so this is the responsibilities and the task for the job. They're going to be doing a criminal record check and all of that. So the benefits, there are long-term benefits or group insurance benefits. So this is the email address if you want to apply. You can just go through this email address here to apply for the job. So next up is a software testing technician. Software testing technician, and they need a bachelor's degree for this. Obviously they need a bachelor's degree and 1 year to less than 2 years experience. So 1+ years experience is good, and there are 2 vacancies for this job. And when it has to do with salary, it's $37.50 per hour and 35 hours per week. So these are the tasks and all of that. So go through all of this information, and if it's something for you, then you can send your application right here. That's the email address to send your application. Ensure to send your application with your CV and your cover letter. Don't send CV only. Always make sure you add a cover letter to it. Okay, so next up here is a dental assistant, and you need a college, CEGEP, or other non-university certificate or diploma from a program of 1 year to 2 years or equivalent experience, right? So the work experience is 2 years to less than 3 years. You have to be willing to relocate here, and you're going to be working in a dental practice, obviously. So this is the task for the job. And what they need you to know how to work on Microsoft Windows. So you need to have that skill of computer and technology knowledge. So it's a fast-paced environment and all of that. So these are the personal suitability they're looking at. And then the benefits, there is a dental plan, there is free parking, learning and training paid by employer, and all of that. So if you want to apply, this is the email address and this is the instructions to apply. Very important. You need to follow these instructions. You need a cover letter, you need references, you need letter of recommendation, and your highest level of education and name of institution where it was completed. So do take note of this application instructions so you're sure you're doing the right thing, okay? Because if you don't do the right thing, you've disqualified yourself already. So ensure you follow these instructions of how to apply. So another one here is a food counter attendant, and for this one, no degree, no certificate, no diploma, nothing is needed, and even experience is not needed as well. They said they will train. So no degree, no experience, and 4 vacancies for this. So you can check it out. So this is a long list of the tasks. So you can see it here. And you're going to bring clean dishes, flatware, and other items to serving areas and set tables. You'll carry and replace linen. You will clean and sanitize items such as dishwasher mat, cart, and waste disposal unit. Clear and clean tables, trays, and chairs, all of that. Quite a lot of things to be done there. And you're going to have some learning training, which will be paid by the employer as well. So if you want to apply, this is the email address, jobs.tuttifutti@gmail.com. This is the email address to send your application to. So you can do that if you're interested in this position. One thing you need to note is that whenever a job is low requirements, it's going to be more competitive. So when they said no degree, no experience and all of that, just know this job will be very competitive because it is open to so many people. All right, so do ensure you have a very good CV and cover letter. I have videos on how to write your CV and cover letter. You can watch those videos. The links will be in the description so you can see them and write a very good CV to apply to these jobs. I hope you found that valuable. If you did, do give this video a thumbs up. That is a like, so others that need this kind of information will get to see the video. All right. And also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.